Welcome to Awesome Good. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to use our Rootkit scanning tool. Uh, Rootkit scanning tools are the best way to check for rootkits in the target system. To avoid alteration on infected system, it is preferred to initiate these scanning tools from unknown clean system. We are going to use CHK Rootkit. CHK Rootkit is a free security scanner that searches for rootkits installed in the system. This tool can check more than 70 rootkits such as LKR variants, rootdoor, FU, Goal2, and so on. CHK Rootkit by default is not installed in a number of versions of Kali Linux. So we are going to install it first. I'm just going to type to chk rootkit to check if it's installed. It's not installed, so we need to enter Y to install it and need to enter your password for your user account and yes to continue. It is installed on our system now. To list the option and a high level description, all you need to do is to run this command chk rootkit with H option and you can see those options over here. These are command line options for chk rootkit. And now we are going to scan for rootkits. We can use this command. You need to use sudo chk rootkit. Please note that running a chk rootkit requires root privileges, and therefore you must add sudo. So just hit enter. I'm just going to end over here. So far no infection is found. There's no rootkit. chk rootkit tool includes multiple packages or programs such as chk last log. It checks for lost log removal, and then we have chk dirs checks for indication of LKM. Then we have chkutmp checks for UTMP removal. Then we have chkwtmp checks for WTMP removal. Some of the benefits of using CHK rootkits are it is an open source tool, so it is available to everyone. It is easy to use even for non-technical users. It is effective at detecting a wide variety of rootkits, It can be used to scan both local and remote systems. So to keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Asim Code. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.